How I got the best vlogging camera in the market? It took a while to make my decision, but finally I came to an answer, and it's here. It's arrived today. Now let's go in and check it out. It's basically an all-in-one camera, which means you don't need to change lens. You just take it out of the box, stick some batteries, stick a memory card, off you go, shoot. Ready, steady, go, shoot camera. It's a compact camera. It's a Sony ZV-1. Now I have went with the grip. Now this comes with just on its own, or you can buy with the grip. So I've just, because I think there's a combo offer, and you can, obviously if you buy both you get some discounts. I went for it, and I'm going to check this out as well, just see how good it is, and if it's if it's worth keeping it. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'm going to sell it off on eBay or somewhere. Yeah, it's got the fancy packaging. It says made for vlogging, obviously to attract all the vloggers out there to go and buy this camera. Right, I'm going to take it out and have a look. Yeah, what is this? Oh, it's got the 1 year extended warranty. Tiny pack. It's got 1-inch sensor, which is fairly good. You get a pretty decent image out of it. It's got 24 to 70 millimeter f 1.8 to 2.8 aperture lens built in, 315 autofocus points, real-time eye autofocus. Its autofocusing is really brilliant. It's really nice. It's so fast. It's got face appeal. It's got a bokeh switch, which is basically by pressing one switch down you can defocus, blur the background in a tip of a finger, which is brilliant. I mean, Sony did a lot to put all these features in this tiny compact camera. It's got a built-in pretty decent microphone, which I think it has a dead cat as well in there. We're going to check it out, and it's got its own dedicated microphone jack. Another bonus. It's got 4K recording, everything, and it's got a hot shoe mount as well. Yeah, you can attach a flash, or you can attach extra whatever you need. So got all the booklets, instruction manuals. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Looks like a charging cable. Now that's the dead cat I was saying. So basically this will clip on to the hot shoe. Here comes the hero. Well, there is another pack here. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's a battery. Now look at the size of it. Thumb grip there, which is quite good. You get a good grip on it. Yeah, very light. So that's the microphone, sits on the top of the camera, and our dead cat slide in there, which will cover the entire microphone. So I'm going to pop the battery in it. Yeah. Now when it comes to battery, you need a few spare ones. It will only last for 20 to 30 minutes with one fully charged battery. So you do need some spare ones. So keep that in mind. Once the dead cat on, the on-off switch is basically hidden there. So it's coming on. So that's on. That's on the full focus range. Oh wow. I'm not going to do a full review. There's plenty of videos out in the YouTube. Got a flip out screen which is really so you can see yourself in the camera. Now let's have a look at this handheld tripod. I'm sure you have to charge this as well, yeah. So that's the tripod, which is not bad, quite good, it feels good in your hand. Wow, I didn't know that. It needs a battery? Do we have one with it? Did they send a battery with it? Let's check it out. And what is that? That is a case. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, they did. They did send a battery with it. And it come with a nice case. Right. It says Sony there. So the battery goes in there. Basically, this is a Bluetooth handhold, like a tripod, little mini pod. Yeah, good. Well, yeah, it's pretty basic. This is to zoom out in movie recording, to take picture. That's basically, I think you can program that to whichever function you want, and that is a lock button. Anyway, I will go ahead and shoot using that for the next couple of months, and I will put out another video says how I got on with it. If you like these sort of contents, give it a like, and please consider subscribing to the channel. It does help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.